Yes! 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 I got a video of Bob rolling! Oh! Look at the dirt of him! Bobo! I finally got a video of Bob rolling. I even forgot to say the intro. I just got a video of Bob rolling. Look how dirty he is. Well, welcome back to Mr. King Hot Dogs. I made a 2-minute video and I'm going to upload it. Then I realized Bob started rolling, so I filmed it. Bobo! You rolled. Now you're so dirty. Oh my God. Look how dirty he is. What did you do to yourself? What did he do? Bob, Hulk's back there. And the other horses are over there. And Bobo just decides to do this. Why, Bob? Look at the other side of him. It's like almost equally, the other side of him's like almost equally as dirty. Yeah. His face is mucky. That's how bad he is. His face is mucky. That's how mucky he is. What? What did he do to his stable?
It's filth.
It is. Well, I don't have to clean it. You have to clean it.
No, you should be doing it.
Yeah, but I'm filming a video. I'll do it after. Okay. That's all I have to say. Then I don't have to do it. Leave me be. I want to play Roblox. Hey, you, Bobo. Guess what? Guess what, Bob? You are dirty. Look at this. This is where we put the bucket. That shows how rainy today is. Look how rainy it is today. Like, it's rainy. Why are there just pallets here? Dad! Dad! What are those pallets of wood? What are those pallets of wood? Yeah, I was wondering what they were. So we're making the roof bigger so it doesn't get rain all over horses. Yes. Look how much rain we